to stop waiting for the right time. Because time is not waiting for you.
So I mentioned you were all alone. I could feel the trouble coursing through your veins. Now I know.
The source of this quote is anonymous.
It's got a home. Just a phone call left announcing them is sparking up.
This quote means
Cigarettes won't stop and wondering where you are. Don't let go.
you don't need to keep on saying, I'm waiting for the right time. Many people always say, let's wait for the right time. This is not the right time. But this quote is also telling us that the right time is only created by us. The right time is influenced by human beings. We have to try to do something so that we make it the right time. For example, there are business that may not boom in a certain season. But if you try to bring some other solution, they can make it boom in any season. For example, I want to take example, businessmen in my village. These guys who sell bars of shop, washing laundry, they put sewing needles on top of the bars of shop for promotion. So when customers come from the garden and their clothes are torn, they hear that, oh, so and so has put needles on top of pieces of shops. So they rush to go and buy in order also to buy the soap. So a soap may be like maybe 50 cents, and the sewing needle is 1 cent. So that one would give a discount of only 1 cent, which still leaves some better profit to the customer, which has what? Solved the use of time. So there's no right time. Time does not wait. Thank you.